Hello everyone, this is Daniel, and I'm going to be talking to you about why I believe we're in the last days. So let's just talk about a few things that are very important. So I'm going to be talking to you about closer are we than what we are then. So closer are we than to Noah's Day that, what is it? Basically, closer are we to basically inbreeding than we are to Noah's Day. Closer are we to violence than in Cain's day and then in Israel's day when Babylon was taking over, because in America there's a lot of violence. Closer there are we to immorality than we have ever been in our whole entire lives on earth. All of our lives, including the people in the very past. Closer are we to the end days. Closer are we to extreme, greedy. We've been more greedy than we have been in the very past. There's been more persecution in China and India of the Christians, and especially in Afghanistan, than we have been in Rome. Closer are we to all of these things, and then more so than we have been in the past. Closer are we to unbelief than we have been in history ever before. Closer are we to knowledge than we have ever been before. And the list keeps on continuing, and then continuing more so. Closer are we to closer are we to witchcraft and knowledge of witchcraft than we have ever been in the past. Especially in places like China, and especially in places like America, where witchcraft is really high, and especially like places like Australia. Closer are we to, unbelief than we have ever been before. Closer are we to cowardly behaviors than we have ever been before. Closer are we to murderers than all of the history before us, because the murderers have been so cold. Closer are we to thoughts of suicide than we have ever been before, and the list goes on. Closer are we to extreme weather, except for the day of Noah when the flood came, than we ever been before. May I say that we have been so close to the end days. I mean, the evidence is clear that closer are we to war than ever before. We have rumors of war, but we're going to have more than that. Closer are we to, there's more. There's a lot more than you can imagine. But we're really close to the end of the days. We have all that and more than all that in the past, except for the storm of Noah. So remember that we have all the things that we have all the key evidence that we're at the end of the days. Let me tell you that we have more earthquakes and more firestorms than we've had in the past. And the temperature has been rising possibly more than usual. More than the Bible has been predicting in the past. There's more famine than there used to be in the Bible. Look it up, because this is all coming true. And of course, more are we thinking about fantasies back than before. We're worse off than we used to be in the Bible. Worse off than all of the history of the Bible, except for the day of Noah. Even Sodom. America's like Sodom. 90% of the internet is born. We're worse off than we used to be. And that's all I can say, is that we're really close to the end of days. I mean, the evidence is we're like, I mean, the date in between is like 2040, 2070, and today. The date between that is like 2040, and I believe that if it gets worse, it's gonna be near the end of days. We're really close to the end of days. I mean, we're gonna have hail that is 100 pounds each. If you don't know what the Bible says, just look it up. And we're just that close, okay? So I guess I'll be done now, okay? Bye.